Prepare yourself for an extraordinary journey of self-discovery and hair rejuvenation with Hair Luminance. Within the pages of this groundbreaking ebook, you'll uncover an unparalleled collection of meticulously crafted recipes and expert insights poised to breathe new life into your hair. With Hair Luminance as your unwavering guide, embrace the opportunity to explore innovative ingredients and techniques that will revolutionize your hair care routine. Feel empowered as you embark on a quest towards achieving the radiant, resilient hair you've always desired. Allow the wisdom of Hair Luminance to ignite a holistic approach to hair health within you. With each turn of the page, foster a deeper connection to your hair and an enhanced appreciation for the transformative power of natural remedies. Place your trust in the transformative mastery of Hair Luminance to redefine your hair story and unleash its inherent beauty. With steadfast determination and perseverance, behold the stunning metamorphosis of your hair into a glorious testament to your inner vitality. Let Hair Luminance guide you towards hair perfection.